Hello friends, I welcome you all to this session on Python programming. Today we will be learning that how to check that whether a number entered by the user is a neon number. What is a neon number? Neon number is that number if I square it and then add the digits of the square, then the number will appear. That is the original number. So a number is a neon number if the sum of digits of its square is equal to the number itself. So my number is 9, I squared it, I got 81. Then what are the digits? 8 and 1. If I add these two, then I am getting 9. What is that? Original number. So hence this 9 is a neon number. So let us write one code for it. So first, what is required? The number is required. So n is int input and then enter n, enter number. Okay, now what I have done, oh sorry, I have not closed the string. Now once n is known, then what I have to do, I have to square that number. Let's say n2 is the square of this number. Okay, now we have to work on what? N2. So what we have to do, we have to take this n2, we have to remove its digits and then add them up. So while n2 is not equal to 0, what I have to do, I have to first find the last term, means digit, last digit. So that is nothing but n2 modulo operator 10. Once this is done, I have to sum these up. So let us take one variable s, assign it 0, and then come here and then s assign s plus r. Okay, once this is done, then what I have to do, I have to reduce the number, I have to remove that last term r from the number. So how that is done? So n2 assigned n2 floor division by 10. Once this is done, the program is over. So now let us first print what is s2 here, or s here, sorry. So if I run this program, 9 I am giving, what I am getting is 9 back. So how to check? It is very simple. You have to use if else statement. So if the sum comes out to be same as the number, then you have to simply print that this number is a neon number, that is this one. So it is a neon number. Then close it, and if this is not coming equal, then else simply say is not a neon number. So if I give it 9, it is saying, oh sorry, I did a mistake, it should be f string. So if I run now, so 9 is a neon number. So let us take one more number, 10. 10 is not a neon number. Let us take another number, let's say 18. 18 is not a neon number. Okay, so if I have to check that whether, or if I have to print all the neon numbers from starting from 1 to 500, then what I have to do? What I have to do is I have to bundle this all inside a loop. So I am keeping this, or I am giving you this as an exercise. This is a very simple thing. Please do it so that your practice will become more, and at the same time you will become you will have some confidence in solving problems. So thank you very much in this lecture till this point only. Take care.